Hello Holt Public, welcome back to Around the Horn. Today we are focusing on CTE, Career and Technical Education courses here offered at Holt Public Schools.
My name is Greg Miller. I'm the Digital Multimedia teacher at Holt High School. We focus on Photoshop and video production in our multimedia program, but we are looking to add podcasting and animation in the future. Students can expect to create content for social media pages, for businesses, and just as a creative outlet. Students are eligible grades 9 through 12. We do ask that they take our Photoshop class because it deals with a lot of our design basics. I think of creativity as like any muscle in our body. If you don't use it, you lose it. So hopefully students leaving our program will have that creative energy to go out into the world, into the business world, and to create amazing content for themselves and the business.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Today you heard about one of our career technical education programs here at Holt Public Schools, this one in the area of digital media and design. This is an awesome outlet for students to spend that creative energy, build that academic foundation with the skills and abilities they need to be successful in a digital environment. This program also offers articulated college credit by exam through LCC, so at the end of the course you take an exam and you can get college credit at Lansing Community College, or through Davenport University by getting a 3.0 or higher in Mr. Miller's course. Also, Adobe certifications, industry recognized certifications are in this program in the areas of visual design and digital video. So some awesome opportunities for students to take advantage of here to build that foundation to be successful in the future. Go Holt Rams.